AI video tools are getting insane right now, but most of them still have one problem. They either take too long, need too many steps, or give results that look good for 1 second, then completely fall apart. So today, I want to test something more practical. Can one platform actually help me create face swaps, image-to-video clips, and edited AI visuals fast enough to use for real content? Let's find out. Welcome back to Nextscope AI, your shortcut to the smartest AI tools. Today, I'm testing Magic Hour, an AI creative platform with tools for face swap, image-to-video, lip sync, AI image editing, templates, effects, and access to multiple top AI models in one place. And instead of just scrolling through features, I want to test it like a creator would actually use it. I'll take one simple idea and turn it into a few different content assets. A face swap test, an image-to-video clip, and an edited visual that could work for social media. What I like already is that the platform feels very easy to explore. You have popular tools at the top, a full tools library, effects, templates, and different models all organized in one place. So let's start with the first test. The first feature I want to test is Face Swap. This is probably one of the tools people will try first because it's fast, visual, and easy to understand. So I'll upload a source image, then I'll choose the face I want to swap in. And now I generate. What I'm looking for here is simple. Does the face actually blend naturally? Does the lighting match? Does the expression look believable? And does it avoid that weird AI plastic look? Now, looking at the result, this is actually pretty clean. The face fits the angle, the skin tone feels more natural than I expected, and the overall image still looks usable. This is the kind of feature that could work for fun social media posts, character concepts, creator experiments, memes, or even testing visual ideas before making a full video. And because the workflow is so simple, you don't need to spend time learning complicated editing software. It's basically upload, choose, generate. Now let's test the second main feature, image to video. This is where a static image becomes a short moving clip. For this demo, I'll use an image that already has a strong visual mood, something like a cinematic portrait or a product-style image. Now I open the Image to Video tool. I upload the image. Then I add a simple motion prompt. For example, slow cinematic camera push-in, subtle head movement, soft lighting, natural motion, realistic video style. Generate. Now, this is where AI video tools usually succeed or fail, because a still image can look good, but once it starts moving, you can immediately see if the motion breaks. Here, the result feels smooth enough for short-form content. The motion is not too chaotic. The subject stays mostly consistent, and it feels like something I could use as B-roll, a short intro, or a social media clip. This is useful because creators often need movement. A static image is fine, but a moving visual usually performs better on TikTok, Reels, Shorts, or ads. So being able to turn an image into a video quickly is a big advantage. Now let's move to the AI image editor. This is the feature I think creators will use when the result is almost good but not perfect, because sometimes AI gives you a great image, but one thing is off. Maybe the background is distracting. Maybe the outfit doesn't match. Maybe the lighting needs to change, or maybe you want to remove or adjust one object. So here, I'll take one generated image and edit it. Let's say I want to make the background cleaner and more cinematic. I'll use a prompt like, clean the background, improve lighting, make the image look more cinematic and social media ready. Generate. Now, this is important because the best AI workflow is not just generation, it's refinement. If you can edit the result inside the same platform, you don't need to export it, open another tool, fix it manually, then bring it back. You can keep the creative flow moving. And honestly, that's what makes tools like this practical for creators. Now let's put the workflow together. Instead of using these tools separately, I want to test a simple creator flow. Start with an image, improve it, turn it into a video, then maybe test a face swap or lip sync version. So the workflow becomes image, edit, upscale, video. And this is exactly the kind of process creators use when building content packs. For example, if you're making a short video, you can create a character image, improve the quality, animate it, and then use it as part of a social post or short-form video. What I like is that the platform makes this feel fast. You're not waiting forever between every step, and if one version doesn't work, you can quickly generate variations and try a different direction. Now, another thing that stands out is the templates and effects section. This is useful if you don't want to start from scratch. You can browse different styles, trends, effects, and ready-made formats. For a lot of creators, this is probably the easiest entry point, because sometimes you don't know exactly what prompt to write. You just want to pick a style, upload an image, and see what happens. This can work really well for trend content, meme videos, AI effects, character videos, or quick social media experiments. And honestly, this makes the platform more beginner-friendly. You don't have to be a prompt expert to start creating. So who is Magic Hour useful for? I think it makes sense for creators who want fast AI visuals without jumping between too many tools, especially if you create content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, thumbnails, ads, memes, or character-based videos. The strongest part is that everything feels connected. Face swap, lip sync, image to video, AI image editing, templates, and models are all inside one platform. So instead of using 5 different websites, you can test multiple creative directions in one place. And for creators, speed matters, because sometimes the best content idea is the one you can create and post quickly. Now, obviously, like any AI tool, not every result will be perfect. Some generations will need a retry, some motions may look better than others, and face swaps depend a lot on the quality and angle of the original image. But overall, Magic Hour feels very practical, not because it has one single feature, but because it gives creators a fast, creative playground. You can test ideas, generate variations, edit images, animate visuals, and move quickly from concept to usable content. So overall, Magic Hour feels less like a basic AI generator and more like an AI content creation toolbox. You can create face swaps, animate images, edit visuals, use templates, test effects, and build short-form content much faster. And if you're a creator who constantly needs fresh visuals, this kind of workflow can save a lot of time. If you want to try Magic Hour yourself, I'll leave the link in the description. You can test some tools without signing up, explore the free tier, and see what kind of videos or visuals you can create. And let me know in the comments, would you use this more for face swaps, image to video, or AI editing? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart AI tools. This is Nextcope AI. See you in the next one.